I have a 2012 Honda Civic. The customer complained the car won't start. So I came up with the jump cable on it to start it, but it won't start. And then so I'm gonna see what's exactly happened. So when I start it, I put the jump booster on it. When I put the key on, nothing come on the dashboard. So nothing come on the dashboard. I'm gonna show you really quick what can cause that, and then I'm gonna be fixing that very quick. So when you take a look at it, there's a big one is like that. That's mean the between these two fuses. That's a big fuse. So one of them is no good. So this one side is cut. If you look at it good, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but I'm gonna take it off and then show you. One line is cut on this side. The line, the 100 line is cut. This, yeah, the 100 amp, that one is cut. So that's why there's no light coming on the dashboard. So right now I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna unscrew these two bolts, and then take it out, and then show you. So I just took the fuse out. I took that 2 ball, and you see that fuse right here is cut. This one is cut. If you take a look at it, you're gonna see that's the 100 amp. It's a big fuse, so we're gonna have to replace this one. Yeah, but before you replace it, you can do something. You can try to like weld it a little bit, and then try. If you blow it, so that means there's a short somewhere. But if it's not, so that means you gotta replace it. You have to put another one. Alright? Please subscribe to my channel for more video coming. Thank you. So I just put a wire in it to just make it test. See, right there. Put a wire in, like to just make it test, and I'll put it back in. So I put my jump booster inside. Alright. And then I'm gonna put a key. See, now it's making sound. Okay. Now all the light come now. So let me try to start it. Okay, start. Car is running. So that was the problem. So that means there's no short. There's no short. So I'm gonna replace this fuse, and then I'm gonna be good. Alright? Please again subscribe, and then for more video coming out. Alright, thank you. Have a good day.